A picture is worth 1,000 words. I'm sure you've heard this before, but have you heard everything is a process? Stay tuned to learn how you can combine these two concepts to improve your business.
Welcome to this episode of Making Performance Matter, connecting employee performance to business results, with your host, Cindy Allen-Stuckey.
During my last show, I gave you a problem-solving process with 3 components to use when just fix it isn't working. Today I'm going to give you a tool to use for the first component, understand the problem. But first, I want to talk about everything as a process. Think about what you do at your business. Do you follow processes? Yes, even though you may not think you do, everything's a process. All businesses have specific processes that they use to deliver value to their customers or clients. When a problem keeps recurring, we play the blame game. It's the people, it's the vendor, it's the technology, and sometimes we even blame the customer. In order to solve that problem, you need to first understand the problem. To do this, you need to know what the process looks like before you can fix it. It's more effective to visualize that process graphically than it is to describe it with words. Hence, a picture is worth 1,000 words. To do this, you use a flowchart to explain a process clearly. Let me illustrate what I'm talking about. Here's a flowchart, the State Fair Food flowchart, that uses these symbols. Notice there's an oval with a start and an end. Then there's a rectangle, that's a task. A diamond is a decision, and then you get down to the arrow, which shows the path. Notice the oval here for start. Follow the arrow to go to the task, pick a food, then go to a decision. Can it go on a stick? No and yes go to different tasks or different decisions. Notice the decision points and tasks as you go ahead and move through this flowchart over here till you get to the end. So now, this was a fun flowchart. How do you flowchart your processes that needs to be improved? Here are 6 steps. You'll first of all need a flip chart, markers, and square post-it notes. So first, I want you to identify a recurring problem where just fix it isn't working. Decide the name of the process. Maybe it's meeting someone in person. Maybe it's paying the bills. Second, determine the boundaries. What triggers or starts a process? Is it a networking event, the end of the month? And what ends it? Is it a meeting is scheduled or the bills are paid? Third, identify each step in the process, how it actually works. Use 1 square post-it note for each task. When you say or think, if this happens, then we do this, turn your post-it note, make it a diamond, the decision, and then write that question on there. Fourth, arrange the steps in order on your flip chart, and then begin moving them and adding steps or deleting steps as needed. Fifth, connect everything with arrows. And 6, check for accuracy. Actually walk through the process, then make corrections. Problem solving begins by understanding the big picture. Starting with the flowchart forces you to consider what the process looks like, not what you think it should be. Now, I challenge you to select one of your processes that needs to be improved and flowchart it. I have a worksheet on my website that's going to help you with this. Then make sure you tune into my next episode to learn about 2 more tools. Thanks and have a great day.
Thank you for watching this episode of Making Performance Matter with Cindy Allen-Stuckey. For more great information, visit Cindy's website at makingperformancematter.com. Also browse the other shows found right here at Indie Biz TV Shows.